Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kan long kasngi ke basa jingkan mau ya ki pai ba nong song nong jong kasnong Mawlai ha ka khanyo tarik unailar arjar khat kendai ke badai ke constituency ke bahe tam ha Meghalaya kabala sakhi ya ke jingple pai ba ya ke Surok Shillong Mawlai bypass dau Myntri Rangbah ke jela u konrad ke sangma bar ha ke jokapor u bala play pai ba ro ya ka mau konro umsing police outpost. Hagani kasngi la sakhi lang dau sembut Myntri Rangbah ke jela uba preston tensong bat kumjuru ki Myntri Sarkar ki bakentup ya uma lakmen rumbui uma snia balang dhar u chairman ka state planning board uba lambor mangyang u MLA ka Mawlai constituency uba process ti saukme u MDC ka Mawlai constituency uba taibor lang pathau ka deputy commissioner ka East Sales district ka kong mat seudor war nongbri ki head officer jong katanat PWD roads bat kiwei ki kenram kilandan daga jingple pai ba ya kani ka Surok Mawlai bypass kan yarap ban pelat ya ka dhengkali ka bajur ha ka Surok ba Shillong gohati haduk laipo na ka shispa kata naduk Mawlai mauyong haduk garikhana hagani ka jing yalang UMDC ka Mawlai constituency uba taibor lang pathau ula pun kup buram yo Myntri Rangbah ka jela u konrad ke sangma bat yo sembut Myntri Rangbah ka jela uba preston tensong bar ha ka jo opor ula IT ru ya ka check ka ba shilak tengka sya ka chief ministers relief fund ha Myntri Rangbah ka jela
kani ka Surok ka ba don sam hadu ka sarka bat ngaslo ban ong bangaru ngasaliu ya u MLA garim jo Mawlai bat itai ba founder kaji bam kwai adwar ble ba kaji post diu jo unu Rangbah na kamawi don man na sarkar ka popuar mentang lalah ban pen urlong bat kan long kaji kerku ia pi kinong Mawlai par dengan itu ia pi ha ubnai march ni simti yak sarkar ar haja khatra ka benengkong ka program ka mile chief minister batna nanta bat ubah proses ka kato ka numut ki MLA iawan syakali ke ceka ni ya ter kerja ban pek ata kalau kumno kali Surok par hadin kata ngong balada nia ban pendet ya kali bypass la kumno na kalian joki polis iba pek ya ke trafik ia tu pasti orang yang nak orang lakum nusa, like how person hadu antai siapa karikana, like how person ngadulah saya yang scam kan lo jadi berku, kalau kerana itu nampak inovan kau. Batum laom sekretari ini, kador jom kajinglor kenika projek kajinglong, arpo new plur tam, pak kabakrau. Ni pelut arpunio pelur tam, kajing mentoi bat kajing kerku kalong, daki lakmut kibriu jong kejela mekla jeng away.
I would first of all like to thank this wonderful day that he has given to the owners who have been so generous in order to give their land so that these projects could come up. Your contribution, this project would not have taken off. Who have been instrumental, not just in one day. Different organizations and departments play their part. Different political leaders. It is only when all of these two projects in making this these two very important projects a success. I would take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for your contribution to making this project a success. Friends, this bypass, it affects us all. We all have been, at one point in time, victims to the different kind of traffic congestions that come up in Shillong city, especially when we're entering the city. And as was mentioned by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, we are hopeful that with the starting of this project, at least 30% of reduction in terms of congestion should be taking place by the implementation and opening of this project. It's a very big thing. We know that it's not enough. A lot more needs to be done. But I think this is a very, very good beginning. Coming into Shillong, just recently I had taken the road from Maumaram side to Mauming, UCC up to Nepa. You all are aware that there's a road from there. And this road connects directly to the Shillong Longstone Road, and then from there people can go straight to Cherrapunji. After visiting that road, it's such a beautiful road. And in fact, Secretary was with me that day, PWD Secretary. And we decided that this road must be made more commercial. We must repair this road so that tourists who want to go to Cherrapunji don't need to go through Shillong city, and they can take that bypass till the time the western bypass comes up. The road is a road where we can see the entire Umbiam Lake from the hilltop. We can see the entire Shillong city from Maumi village. It's a beautiful drive, and I think the tourists who come into Meghalaya would really enjoy that drive out there. Therefore, friends, I'm happy to inform you that we will be taking up the construction of that road. The DPRs is being made, and I hope that within a very short time, that particular road, the existing road, which is a very, very bad and dilapidated condition, will be operational, and this Lake View Road, or a Hill View Road you can call it, will be a road that will be open to the tourists, and that again will not only help the tourists, but will also lead to decongestion of Shillong city. At the same time, we'll be able to also work on the western bypass, for which the DPR for the consultants has already been floated. We are hopeful that the DPRs will be made shortly and we'll be able to start the construction of the western bypass also at the earliest.
Dedicate this to the people of Mawlai and to the people of Shillong. Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's just like that. One by one. I don't know.
Hagabay day ba kajing play paj ba ya ka mau kon ro umsing police outpost kani ka thanat kan yarap ban pej ngor ya ka jing shngan ya ka thain na do Mawlai mau kon ro umsing hadu kishnong ki bahap sha ka thain mau set khnam bat kumjuru ban pej ngor ya ki kamsniu ki bala ban mi khamtam ondala trekam pura ya ka Surok thamai jong ka Shillong Mawlai bypass bala play paj ba dau Myntri Rangbah ka jala Kumban syukdo hangni ya ka thanat Mawlai lapan kha ha ka artarik ubnai jeliu jong snem khat khandai spa khandai pu ar bat kani ka thanat kala trekam shwa na ka yeng ba shipor kum ka constituency ka bahe bar ka badon bon tli kishnong ka sarkar MDA kala ibet ya ka thanat Mawlai ban pan kha no saya ka police outpost bat dei halor kani ka nongrem ba ka sarkar kala sngo ya hap bat ka jing dawa jong MDC ka Mawlai uba tei bor lang pathau lembat ka kunhun girang ba snong jong ka Mawlai town dorbar ki bala persngo sha ka sarkar ha ka khat san tarik unai tung mentau snem Kishnong kiba ka mau kon ro umsing police outpost ken pek kilong ka Mawlai mauro kentan masar umsing mau kon ro kuntup lang bat ka nihu mau tawar saw nongko lo mau set khnam pro jathang renja nongka a bat madan mau khar.
A very sensitive outpost and a very important outpost. So I think you have a big responsibility in your hand. So I always urge you to be positive, always urge you to be vigilant, and it is important that we always remember that we are here to serve the people. So therefore, always keep the people in mind. And I think I'm sure that with very, very capable officials and capable people like you, I'm sure that this outpost and the people of this area are in safe hands. And especially with our SP and the other officials also, I'm sure that you get all the support that you need. we are also there to support you. We are very proud of all the work that you have done, and we are sure that you will continue to make us proud and keep the people safe. So good luck with everything, and thank you very much.